Hi guys, this is Dinesh running from Technology. So in this video I'm going to show you how to hack WhatsApp. So let's not waste time and jump into the main video now. So the first thing you have to do is open Chrome in another mobile and type the web.whatsapp.com and you have to click on go. So you will see a screen like this. So now you have to click on this three option button and select desktop site, and it will now load for few seconds. Till then you have to go into your another mobile or the victim's mobile of which you have to hack the WhatsApp, and now you have to click on this three icon button, and now you have to click on WhatsApp web. After selecting this option, it will show you to scan the QR code which will get here. So now when you will scan this code, WhatsApp will open here. So now you can access the WhatsApp from here. So you can see a demo here. You can see I didn't type on this phone, the message went on this phone. And you can even read the chats, and you can even download the images. So guys, this was a simple trick to hack someone WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like this video, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Technology. And do follow my Instagram and Facebook page. The links are provided in the description.